that way are Pinot Noir.
Okay.
And here, over that way, are Chardonnay.
Okay.
You see these bunches?
Yeah.
Let's say this bunch right here. Okay. See that right there?
Yeah.
It's kind of loose, and it's you know, it's got different little stems in the bunch.
Yeah.
You see it?
Yeah.
Okay. Like this one too. Okay, that's Chardonnay.
Yeah.
And these bunches will get quite a bit bigger because the berries will get a lot bigger.
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Okay.
They're not, all the bunches are not that way, but usually they are. Now, let me show you some Pinot Noir.
All right.
Pinot Noir, you see they're tighter, smaller little bunches?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, they're kind of more compact and they don't, you know.
Yeah. They don't
Not-
spread out like
they're
the
not
other ones.
fluffy, you know.
Yeah. Right.
They're kind of tighter little bunches.
Yeah, the Chardonnay is definitely more spread out.
The Chardonnay get to be bigger, and each year for the next couple of years, those bunches will get a little bit bigger yet.
Yeah.
They'll be 2 or 3 times the size of these bunches,
Yeah.
and that makes them heavier and more pounds, you know, more
Right.
tons.
Yeah.
But these pay more money per pound or per ton.
Right.
Okay. We just went through and lifted these wires
Yeah.
up to the top
Yeah.
notch so that they'll hold these canes up straight and the canes don't come over in my way with a tractor or like when we pick the grapes.
Yeah.
So this holds them up out of the way, and you can't cut them off too much because the leaves are what provides the sugar for the grapes.
Right. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
But the next big job we have to do is to pull some of the leaves,
Mm-hmm.
maybe not all of them, but to pull some of them so that air can filter through here.
Mm-hmm.
And in the mornings, some mornings we get a lot of moisture from nighttime fog,
Yeah.
and it gets trapped in here inside the bunch of berries.
Mm-hmm.
And so the moisture's in there. Then it gets hot during the day, and then the moisture doesn't get out, and it causes mildew and rot.
Yeah.
Okay, so when we pull the leaves, it lets the sunlight get in, it lets the breeze go through and dry them out quicker in the
Okay.
morning. That's
Right.
why you do it.
Okay.
And also they need a little sun to ripen quicker.
Yeah.
So
So you're doing it all by hand? You're not
we
pruning anything
do
off?
that. There are machines that do it, that either blow the leaves or suck them away.
Yeah.
I tried it once a few years ago, and it caused the damage to the berries.
Oh, okay.
It's a real strong machine that shreds the leaves and it cuts the berries actually.
Yeah.
The
Okay.
leaves cut the berries.
Okay.
And so I didn't do it anymore. The machines are very, very expensive.
So when the guys come, though, they're
They do it
they're
by
pulling
hand.
they're pulling everything
They
off
do
by
it
hand.
by hand.
How clear do they make it?
How
like,
clear?
Yeah, I mean, how many leaves? Just you know, a few.
Well,
Are they clearing them all away,
I
or
we don't want to clear them all the way because if you get some real hot days, you'll sunburn. You don't want to get sunburned on the berries.
Hmm.
This takes away from the quality of the berries. So we'll probably pull about half the leaves or so, just like about this here, on both sides, so that you still have some filtered sunlight through there and air.
Yeah.
So
Okay.
that's what we do.
All right.
But you can see, the bunches, and these bunches, they'll get, the berries will get about twice this size that they are.
Yeah.
So
All right.
this is almost the 1st of July. 2 months from now, we'll pick these grapes.
Okay.
Because they're going to make champagne and they don't require as much sugar.
Right.
They'll be about 18 degrees bricks. Whereas if they were going to make Pinot Noir still wine, they would require about 24 degrees bricks. That means about 24% sugar.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Yep. Got it. All right. Thanks for the lesson,
so
Dad.
Next week, I'm hoping to get a crew in here and we'll pull the leaves. And also this makes the applications of the fungicides I put on. I'll have to put about 2 to 3 more applications on. It's bunches a lot better and prevent rot and mildew.
Right. Okay. Good. All right. It's looking good.
That's why we pull the
It
leaves.
is looking good.
Yep. Yeah, they look pretty good right now.
Yep.
Don't have any signs of mildew or any problems.
All right. Thanks, Dad.